Hey guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're working on a Ltz400. This is the Mikuni carburetor. It's a CV carburetor. One of the problems this has is that the inlet for the throttle cable that goes inside the side housing here has a threaded part right here that goes into the cable. All right, so here's a new cable here. This threads inside here. It threads onto the end right here that's broken off, and then you're stuck with this broken off piece right here. So what we have to do is we can't just tap this, because then the housing here, the internal casing around the cable inside the housing goes too far and it'll hit the throttle plate arm right here, or the throttle linkage, whatever you want to call that there. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to yank this piece out right here. All right, so I just got it in the vise here, just soft clamp. Make sure you don't tighten anything too much. I'm going to grab this with a pair of pliers and I'm just going to hit it with a hammer and just pull it out of there. All right, so I'm grabbing it, just going to loosen it up before I tap it, and then I'm just going to hit it here and it'll knock it out. All right, so that's what it looks like pulled out of there. All right, so we got that out of there. I now have, this is the threaded portion of a TTR 125 cable, and I just pulled it off the housing and I just filed this down until it just barely fits inside of here where we're putting it. And now I'm just going to tap it all the way down and just tap it in so it just jams inside there, just like the factory one was. All right, so I got it in the vise here. I'm just pushing it in, like just pushing it this way and rotating it back and forth and just really pushing it on there tight. And it's getting really tight on there now. So I'm just keep twisting and pushing it on. All right, and that's what we're ended up with right there. It's in there nice and solid. It doesn't move. I have the nut here, so I can stick the cable on through here, hook it up, thread it onto this like it's supposed to be, lock it onto this, and it's good to go. All right, I'm gonna go put it on the bike, guys. That's it for now. You can also tap these out. This thread right here is a 0.75 pitch thread by, stand by. So yeah, it's like 0.75 pitch thread, and the diameter is like 6 millimeter. I don't have a tap that size to give you an exact size on that, but it's about the diameter right there. So I'm gonna go throw this in the bike, guys. Hopefully you like this video and it helps you out. Problems like this. Till next time, please hit the like button, subscribe. This is Tepco Cycle Repair.